guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get this little plushie guy. He's really cute and it's ChillThrill. Alright, let's see how to get it. First, what you're going to do is with any strong material, I'm just going to use gold. Just make like a small, like titanium, obsidian, really anything. You could probably even use wood. It doesn't matter much. You are going to place a car seat. And you're going to get the old motor. You don't need much to get it. You don't need a jet or anything fancy like that. And you're just going to launch. What you're going to do is, when you get to that waterfall on the left, it has to be on the left, and yeah, it won't work on the right. You're just going to go out and jump. You can leave that behind. As you can see, it just looks like a normal waterfall. Until you go in and there's a secret room. What you're going to do is you're going to have to click a combination of bucks to unlock the door. And luckily I know it. It's these colors. And then would you look at that, the door unlocks. And what you're going to do now is, I've already gotten it, but if you haven't gotten it, you're just going to run over and touch it, and then you'll have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. There's also like really cool combinations if you just like click the bucks a ton of times. Sometimes like weird things happen. There. Is it that one? Oh, well, looks like they're not working today. But, yeah. Hope you had a good time.